In this video, I want to show you how to install NUKE. People are usually baffled by it for some reason. So the website or the company that makes it is called The Foundry, and the software is called NUKE. And so you'll go to Google and type in The Foundry, NUKE. You'll wiggle your mouse back and forth. And you want to do the try for free, okay? They do have a student license. You don't want that. You want the try for free. Just like every other software, you will go through and register, download the free trial, okay? Once the free trial is installed or downloaded, then you'll run the installer, and then you'll be able to open it up. On these computers, or in this instance, we're going to use NUKE X. Regardless of what the 11.3, in this case, version 4, whatever it is, we're using NUKE X. Mine is going to pop up with a license here that automatically lets me in, sometimes I guess. No, it still has a license. Oh, I have a temporary license. Okay. This is perfect. So I would want to install a license. Okay. Now you want to hit Use Server. And then the code that's in the first day handout, that's what you're going to type here, okay? And I'm going to type it in, but you won't be able to see it in the video. And then you'll hit install, and then launch. And then you should see an expiration date right up there. And hopefully the expiration date is further along when classes start, because that's the beginning of this semester. Now, while we're waiting for NUKE to open up, on their site, there's also a couple other softwares that I'm going to mention that are worthwhile for you to investigate. The Foundry. And their website is thefoundry.co. It's .com now. It used to be .co.uk. But you'll see they worked on, a whole bunch of cool stuff. Products. So NUKE is obviously the one I'm talking about here. Modo is a cool 3D program. It's got some neat features to it. Katana I haven't used, but it's for look development and lighting. I haven't used Flix either. Ocula is for stereoscopic stuff. Mari I have used. This is for texture painting, typically organic characters. And Colorway I've used as well. That's another worthwhile software to pay attention to. I'd also mention HIERO for editing and reviewing stuff. So if you have like a big project, HIERO is typically one you're going to see in industry. We just don't have currently the teaching of it. So this is Mari, so high-res digital 3D painting. So this is also included in that license, so you could use this software as well. You could also use Modo. And then Colorway isn't included, but they do have some free trials. They're worthwhile checking out. Not as a beginner, but once you get more advanced into what you're doing, very cool software. And that works pretty well with 3D stuff, okay? So once NUKE opens, you should see this interface here. It's not going to freeze, hopefully for you, but this means that you're able to get into the software. So that's how you'll install NUKE, and any of the other software you download, the licensing is the exact same way.